Hagajing tre borba ban Kyntiew ki sap ki Phong ki brio ka Jylla ban Pynkhlaiñ ki Pynmih Phlim jong ka Jylla Menteri rangba ka Jylla Meghalaya u Konrad ki sangma ban Menteri kam jong kai perthai uba polling do ki lasam ki song Tyngka blatip kum ki film grants hapo ka jing thmu hello Meghalaya hagajing rakhe bala Pynkhlaiñ ha State Convention Center Shillong Hakani ka program bala Pynkhlaiñ hinden ka sngi nadon lang ki nongshna film ki content creator bat ki riu pa khmat ka Jylla ban rakhe ka sap ka Phong ka Jylla habakran hagani ka sngi Menteri rangba ka Jylla u Konrad sangma ulapan pa bapalat sanpho na ka shispa kinong shnong jaka Jylla Meghalaya kidai ki bahapo aphos nam karta daka babanjur badon ka banthai kirinsan na banta ki samla makin budien ya ki jingtrang ba jingthmu ki jongki ulapan pauru ekasap snaflim hapo kan ni ka Jylla ba ki banta ka ba kidon ha ka ban Kyntiew ki sap Menteri katana jengok kai perthai uba polling do ula ong ba kani ka jingthmu ka penpa ka mensim ka Jylla Meghalaya ban rakhiru ya ka spa kerhai jong kariti dustur jeng kijat bendri khasi jantia bat garu ula pediang sngobharu ya ka jing ajimut na kalyang ki patba na ka Meghalaya film tourism policy ka ban salongshan
Golden St. George for best film, the Silver St. George for best director for Pradeep Kurba himself, and the esteemed Nutpack Award for best Asian film. This triple win is an exceptional achievement for any Indian regional language film. It has brought immense pride and global recognition to Khasi cinema and indeed to all of Meghalaya. Let's give a huge round of applause once again for Mr. Pradeep Kurba and his team.
Friends, in the last many years, the government of Meghalaya has realized the importance of really looking at our young generation, number one, because we are a very, very young population, as you're aware, and in fact, we are younger than even the rest of the country. Almost 50% of our population is below the age of 20. So that makes us one of the youngest states in the country today. And realizing this strength that we have, we also felt the need as policymakers to really focus on what drives the youth of our state. What are the areas of competitive advantage that we have? Where are the areas where our strengths lie? And how can we provide the ecosystem and the platform for our youngsters to be able to then excel, follow their passion, do what they love to do, and create value out of it. And that's when our policy shifted from so many things like sports, like music, like filmmaking, so on and so forth. And in the larger context and the larger picture that we try to create for the youth, we realize that there's a very, very important gap in the film industry and filmmaking sector in our state, which needs to be pushed. And we saw that there was a huge potential lying in it, which had not been tapped. There were so many youngsters, so many creative people who had so much of potential, but sadly there was no platform for them to move forward in. And that's when the entire story of how we could move forward in this line, and this whole area started to come up.
It's a proud moment for the entire state of Meghalaya, and especially for the film and artistic fraternity, because all along, whatever you aspired had a beginning and an end, just like a movie. But today, we are in a series and a serious mode in taking the film industry forward. We just returned from a program of the Social Welfare Department, where the focus was on nutrition and other flagship programs of the Social Welfare Department. The major difference was that there the focus was on nutrition for the body. But here, our focus is on nutrition for our hearts, our souls, our minds, and our intellect. I'm really proud that we could celebrate Baptadi Kodwa's achievement and the fact that Pynkhlaiñ has gone global. I share deep, abiding and intimate relationship with the entire family. In fact, his father, when I was in the KSU, was jokingly referred to as Pynmih KSU. And right from those days till today, I could see that your growth story does not promise to end soon. Dominic, whose movie I've watched recently, holds huge promise, and I'm sure that you will also go global very soon. We're here to celebrate the spirit of Meghalaya. And for the indigenous communities of Meghalaya, the Khasi, Jaintias and the Garos, we have the soil, which is our land. But the people should be the soul of that soil. Keep it thriving with life, pulsate with activity, and the arts will then thrive. I'm so proud that our OTT platform has done so well. The traction has been growing. We have a film and creative media policy draft. I would welcome all of you to peruse, go through the draft, and come up with positive, tangible suggestions and inputs.